To find a lost or stolen Android phone, you simply do this. So first method you can use Google Find Hub. And this is an application you can install on your Android phone. It will not come pre-installed unlike the iPhone, where Find My will come pre-installed on every iPhone. But here, you would have to install the application, find it in Play Store. And once you install it, you log in. You log in with the email address that you use on that device. And once you log in, it will show you your device here, Galaxy M13, this device, and any other connected devices like earpods, etc. You can also share your location in real time here from your phone, and this is also helpful in some cases. So once you're logged in and Google Find Hub is on your phone, you can now use another device to search for your location. In this case, I'll use my iPhone, but you can use your computer, web browser, etc., whichever device you want, even another Android phone. I'll go to Find Hub here, search Find Hub. Then it will show me this tab, which is similarly the same. I'll have to log in. Here I'm already logged in with the same email here, but I'll have to log in with the same email that I've been using or I'm using on my Android phone. Then once you do that, you just click that tab here. It will show you your device here. So here I'll just make sure I ensure that this location is obscured. Once I do this, it will show you your name here, Galaxy M13 last seen. You can play a sound just to ensure that it is connected here. And you see it's now ringing. Then I'll just stop. Then you can mark as lost if you have lost your iPhone or if you are in the fear that it is stolen. You can actually mark as lost. In the same way on iPhone, you can also mark your iPhone as lost. This is similar to that instance. You can also reset your device from afar, and this is helpful also in instances where you fear that your phone has been stolen. So, and you don't want that sensitive data to be accessed. Another option, you can use SmartThings to find your lost Android. And I'll show you in an instance here. So I'll just go to SmartThings like this. And in SmartThings, if you have connected many things, you see them here naturally. Similar to that, you can pair other devices on your SmartThings and then you can track those. So here I'll just go on my other device like my iPhone and go to SmartThings. I'll have to log in with the Samsung account, which I'm using exactly on this phone. So yeah, I'll just log in. You see Tawanda's M13 there. In the same way, just in Google Find My, you can also see certain options here. You can ring your phone. So let's just ring the phone to ensure that this is working. So Samsung Find is trying to find this phone. You can see that. So I can actually stop this. You can also put it in lost mode in the same way that you can also do it in Google Find Hub. You can track its location, erase data, which is the same as factory reset, and you can also just extend the battery life. So in essence, you are putting it in power saver mode, so to speak. You can also track the location of this Samsung phone. So every 15 minutes, it will be updating that location like this, and it will be showing you exactly where it is. So this is helpful in instances where your Android phone is stolen or your Samsung phone is stolen, and you just want to see exactly where the phone is at that current moment. The last option that you can use is also remote lock. So remote lock is also there on the other options like on Find Hub and also Smart Things. However, you can just search for remote lock simply like this, and it will show you that same screen which you find in Find Hub, and then you can just lock your phone from there. So this is not about really locating your phone. This is more about you knowing that maybe your phone is stolen and you just want to lock it to protect your sensitive data. So you should have that SIM card here, and let's say someone removes that SIM card, you'd have to use some other options such as actually tracking the location or marking it as lost in Google Find Hub, which does not require a SIM card to be installed. So this is how you can find a lost Android phone from any other device. What do you think about this video? If you liked it and if it was helpful, then make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell.